Hey everyone, this is Shirley Jamming with Yarn, and I just wanted to come by quickly and show you a top that I made. It is not my creation. This creation is from DOY7 Creations on YouTube. I recently found her channel and I am enjoying watching the items that she makes. So please go over there and look at her channel. I'm going to put it on. I made this top to go with my cowboy hat, but it took forever for it to dry. So it is a crop top, very simple, something that you can make on a weekend. Now I've never worn a crop top like this. I don't have a tube top, not a tube top, but you know, a tank top. So I just have a regular top on, but it's fun. I'm trying to get the back down. It might be down. No, I didn't think it was down. Do I have it all right, you guys? There we go. Okay. So anyway, this is the top. I hope you guys like it. Hope you can see it. This is how the back looked. And I did it. I didn't know how it was gonna look. I've added more rows than she had on hers. I went further down, and what I noticed by going further down, the sleeves became larger. Now if I can find a way to make it without the sleeves growing along with it, I'll love it. But right now, for my first crop top, this is very, very nice looking. Okay, there you go. Hope you guys got a real good view of that. So you guys tell me what you think. You like it? And you can, I mean, for me, I see no purpose in it unless it has long sleeves. Well, maybe if you have a tank top and you don't want to expose all this, and it is warm. It feels good. So that could be just something to cuddle you with. I think that's the right word. I use that word a lot. You can dress it up if you want to. This is just add something to it, and it changed the whole look of it. So I want to tell her thank you for showing us how to make this. I am going to make some more. I would love to learn how to make it without the sleeves growing along with it. You know, same length, maybe longer, I don't know. Anyway, I'll try to figure it out. But you guys, what do you think? Thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe, because you know this channel is all about trying things that I learned on YouTube. And so this is something that I've learned on YouTube, and I've made it. Learning how to knit and crochet on YouTube. I also have one more thing. You guys know that I had a in-between project, and it was this hat here. Okay, the ball is not real secure. You can see I still have the needle here that I am going to make it a little bit more stable. This yarn here, hold on 1 minute, I'm sorry. This yarn for the hat is this ice yarn here, and it's Magic Light. Okay, and then for the pom-pom, I had some old, not old, but Peyton's Crochet sock yarn, and I thought that went well. Sort of blend in with that. And that's the hat. I realized that I have more hair since I added that hair in, and everything is fitting tight, so I'm not going to try it on. But it's a 1x1 knitted scarf. I do have a lot of, I messed up, like right here. But you know what? I am learning, and I am working with it. So you guys, thank you for watching this. I hope you guys, oh, and the yarn for this is also from that blanket that I was making, and it's a mess. This is how it was, and you should have, I had one that wasn't like that, but I used on the hat, and this one here I had to try to unravel, and this is what I got left, and I don't know if I'm going to unravel it or just throw it away. So that is Red Heart yarn. You guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the positive comments. And I will see you next time. And I am working on a new in-between project, which is something to give me a break between the big projects. Can't get it out. Anyway, you guys take care. Love you. Love you, E. Love you, E. Take care of yourself. And Francis, take care of yourself. And someone I didn't give a shout out to is Delphine. I think that's her name. You know who I'm talking about. You take care of yourself and your baby. And everyone, make sure you guys just be the best that you can be. Okay? Bye.